Welcome to my screen tutorial for Glogtser. From the student homepage, you can see that Glogtser is your third option down on the left hand side under Core Tools. If you click on Glogtser, it'll take you to the login page. The nickname is just your username. It's going to be your first three, last three, and your password will be the same. First three, last three. Don't pay attention to mine. My username is a little bit different than yours. Click Login. When you first get here, if you've already been into Glogtser, you're going to see that all of the glogs that you've already created are down here. If this is your first time, or if you want to go ahead and create a new glog, you want to go to where it says Create New Glog. Select Create New Glog. Now there are templates that you can choose from. I always like to start from a blank template though, so that way we can do our own design and be as creative as we want and not be influenced by another template that someone else designed. So if you click blank, your glog will start to load. A few buttons I want to show you first off is the tools. If you click this X, you'll notice that your tools disappear. To get them back, you just want to select tools. You have text options, graphics, image, wall, audio, video, and data. But first, you can see that they already put some stuff on there for us. If you select it, you can get rid of it by clicking on the trash can. If you click, you can drag it, move to spin it anywhere you want, but I'm going to delete all these so we can start from scratch. So remember, to get the toolbar back, we can select Tools, and to add text, click on the text. Now these are the options that we have. Music, styles, cartoon, cute. You need to be able to select something that works for you and the glog that you're trying to create. So for example, if I was doing something on maybe say the Revolutionary War, I wouldn't think that the heart would be the best option for that. You can go ahead and surf through. If you find something that you want to use, select it and click Use It. You only need to do it once. It will appear in the background. If you keep clicking Use It, you're going to notice how many times it appeared. So I'll just get rid of the extra times. You can make it larger, smaller, double click to add text. If you highlight it, you could make it larger. You can change the color. But as you can see, now it really doesn't fit. So I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit smaller. Smaller again. And that's what I'm going to leave it at. If you make it larger, you will be able to scroll down, but only on the preview mode. I'm going to go ahead and add some graphics if I want. Once again, just because I can add different types of features doesn't mean, or different graphics doesn't mean that I'm going to add them to all of my Glogtsers that I'm creating. So for example, if I was doing something on Annie Oakley, I probably wouldn't want to add this unicorn. Just because I like unicorns doesn't mean that I'm going to use it. There are some ones that are animated. So for example, this one says animated, so I'll click on it, use it, and you can see there it's moving. But just because it looks cute doesn't mean I'm always going to add it. It's got to be relevant to my topic. Select Tools. Now I'm going to select Image. I can search Google. So let's see if I select fish. I like this fish, so I'm going to select Use It. And there it is. Way too large. So I'll click on it. I can drag it down in the corner to make it smaller. I can move it around. Let's say I want part of it to go behind this tag. This button right here will send it behind, so you can now see that my tag is overlapping it. If I wanted to send this one behind, you can see I can send it behind my image or now bring it to the front. A few more things real quick. The wall. I could change my wall color. I can make my background magenta. I could also choose a certain style. So if I wanted to do music theme or cartoon theme, let's see what's there. Maybe I was doing something on clouds. So I could click and use clouds as my entire background. The page wall is my sides over here. If I select page wall, I could once again do solid color. And now my sides of my page are that color. Last thing I'm going to show us is video. YouTube. If I'm on video, YouTube, I can search for something. So let's say I was looking for a clouds video. Type in clouds, press enter. This is a video that I might want to watch. See if it's going to fit my project. Click use it. Now it's on my glog. So you can see it's covering everything up. So I got to first click. I want to make it a little bit smaller. And then I'm going to drag so it's not over any top of anything. A lot of you will start clicking on it right away. The only way that I'll be able to play this video is if I go up here and click preview. Now I can watch the video to see if it's going to be appropriate for my theme. You can make it full screen, you can stop it, you can pause it. Now I want to go back and edit it more, so I'm going to click back to edit. I'm going to title this blog and I'm going to put trial because this is just the trial version. I'm going to press save. I am going to have to select a discipline of some type, or I could always select no category. But let's say we were doing something on math and we were talking about fractions. I would want to click on math. If not, you can click no category. Subject is no subject. If you were doing something, let's say language arts, maybe it was something on a book, so we would select literature. I'm going to just select grade 3. You can put a tag, so maybe it was something on cloud. You would want to tag it so people that were looking for cloud glogs, they could see that. If you are finished with your glog, you can press finish. If not, you want to press unfinished, so that way we know we can come back, and then I'm going to click finish saving. Now if I want to continue editing, I can press back to edit. If not, I can select back to dashboard, and it will take me back to my dashboard. And there you can see, here is the glog that I was working on, so I could always go back and select edit and continue to edit that blog or glog.